Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, the Mirwais-led Hurriyat Forum, and Hurriyat leaders and organizations have strongly denounced the use of brute force by Indian police on Muharram mourners in Srinagar. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference, in a statement issued in Srinagar, termed the use of brute force on mourners and arrest of dozens during the Muharram procession as blatant interference in religious matters. The spokesman also denounced police raids on the residences of Hurriyat leaders and activists in length and breadth of occupied territory and sought intervention by the international community to stop New Delhi from committing war crimes against humanity in Kashmir. The Hurriyat Forum, led by Mirwais Umar Farooq, in a statement said that through forcible closure of mosques and other places of worship, banning religious gatherings, processions and events, and instead resorting to ruthless beating, exposed the legitimacy and tyrant face of occupational regime. Other Hurriyat leaders, including Agha Sayyid Mujtaba al-Mosbi, Muhammad Yusuf Naqash, Javed Ahmed Mir, Altaf Ahmed Butt, and Tehreek-e-Wahdat-e-Islami spokesmen also strongly denounced the police action on the mourners and said that the world community must come forward to save the Kashmiri Muslims from Hindu fascism. The Jammu and Kashmir political resistance movement has said that the Kashmiris should forge greater unity among their ranks to get rid of Indian illegal occupation and slavery, like Afghanis have broken the shackles of slavery in their country. Meanwhile, dead body of a youth was found in Shopian district. The youth, identified as Shahid Manzoor, was murdered and his body was found in Trikuvangam area of the district. With the killing of another BJP worker in Brazlu Jagiri area of Kolgam district on Tuesday, the occupational authorities have said that 12 BJP leaders and workers have been killed by unidentified gunmen in the Kashmir Valley in last 2 years. In India, 3 weeks after a violent clash between police forces of the Indian disturbed states of Assam and Mizoram, an incident of firing escalated tension on the disputed interstate border again. On the other side, unidentified persons attacked the cavalcade of Governor Satyapal Malik with stones on its return from Assam after dropping him at an airport in Shillong, the capital of Indian state of Meghalaya. Pertinent to mention here that violence erupted and curfew was imposed in Maulai, Jayau and other areas of the capital on Indian Independence Day during the funeral procession of a former rebel leader, Chesterfield Tangkhiva, who was killed by Indian police at his house in Shillong. The Andhra Pradesh Congress Committee Working President Tulasi Reddy has said that there is no protection for women in the state and sought the resignation of Chief Minister Jagmohan Reddy. He said this during a visit of an all-party delegation to Irabadu village in Gunigandla Mandal, where a minor girl was raped and murdered last year. He said the BJP government was trying to hush up the case. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.